If you need to turn on developer mode on a Samsung Smart TV, the process is simple once you know where to look. In this quick guide, you'll learn how to enable developer mode safely using either a Samsung Smart Remote or a regular Samsung remote. Start by pressing the Home button on your remote and opening the Apps section. Make sure you're fully inside the Apps screen before continuing. If you're using a Samsung Smart Remote, scroll to the bottom and open App Settings. Now press the 1 and 23 button, then enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A hidden developer mode menu will appear. If you're using a standard Samsung remote, stay on the app screen and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in sequence without pausing. The developer mode option will appear at the top. Once the menu opens, switch developer mode to on. You can also enter an IP address if needed. This step is optional for most users. To apply the changes, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn the TV off. Turn the TV back on and return to the Apps section. If developer mode is enabled correctly, you'll see a confirmation showing developer mode on. Developer mode stays enabled until you turn it off manually. If you ever need to disable it, just return to the same menu and switch it off, then restart the TV again. If this guide helped you, make sure to save it for later and check out more Samsung TV tips on the channel.